This is me, and for the past year I made YouTube videos using only my smartphone. So in this video I will share a few tips and tricks you can use if you want to record professional videos using only your smartphone. I created this video using this exact guide, and I'm giving you the complete updated merge and simplified 12-step master checklist to turn that phone into a Hollywood camera, all with the phone already in your hand. We're about to run through the whole process, the $20 mic trick, the below eye level secret, and the one setting that locks down your exposure. Get comfortable, let's secure this video bag. First step, get your head right, the rest is just pushing buttons. Step 1, prep your content. You ain't making a movie on the fly. Outline, dot points, a full script, and whatever you need to stay on track. Planning up front means you film faster, you edit easier, and the end result is way cleaner. No rambling. Step 2, select a fire location. Match the vibe, minimize the noise. You can't be filming your finance tips while someone's out here on a leaf blower. Seriously, audio, it's everything. And if you got a dedicated spot where you can leave your tripod set up, that's the real cheat code. Walk in, flip the switch, and you're good. No procrastination. Step 3, clean that filthy lens. That dirt, that makeup, that grease, it's killing your clarity. Wipe it out. Take a microfiber cloth, it's the best to clean. Step 4, front versus rear camera. The back camera is higher quality, but it's hard to monitor yourself. The front selfie camera is usually good enough and you can see yourself. If you use the front camera like I'm now, make eye contact with the lens, not your reflection. That's how you connect with the viewer. Preparation is done. Now let's get the rig set up right. The way I like to do it, first I write all my ideas in a piece of paper. Then I go to my favorite AI and I ask to write the best script possible. Then I take that script and copy and paste it into Google Docs and I arrange it the way I want. Now let's talk stability and lighting. Make sure your shot is smooth. Unless you shoot in the sequel of the Fast and the Furious, get the phone out of your hand. Handheld is the shakiest worst position. Use a tripod, it's cheap and solid. And if you're walking, I really advise you to get yourself a gimbal. That will remove all the shaking. Step 6, position the camera. The secret angle, set the camera just below eye level, not too high, not too low. Whether you're standing or sitting, slide look down is the boss move. No tripod, no problem. Use a stack of books, a box, or a TV cabinet. Whatever you need to get the phone stable, and to do that correct height, use what you got. Step 7, set up the lighting. Priority number 1, light the subject, that's you first, then light the background. No fancy lights, sit facing a window for a clean natural light. Got a desk lamp or a bedside lamp? Pull it out, every light helps. You can turn on the light or turn it off to see what feels better. Okay, so now you look good. The most important part is the audio. Step 8 is connect the mic. Audio is more important than video. If your video quality is bad but your audio is fire, people will stick around. If the audio is garbage, you're gone. And the $20 trick is this small wireless mic. Clip it into your shirt and you instantly get a pro audio. And it works usually for all smartphones. If your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you need a USB-C adapter. Or if you're moving around, grab a wireless mic for amazing sound without wires. Step 9 is the phone prep. 2 things, storage and battery. Back up your files to clear space and make sure the battery is juiced up. You don't want the phone dying in the middle of your shooting. By the way, I forgot a very important piece. It's step number 10. Enable flight mode. You don't want to be in the middle of your shooting and then your phone ringing or getting those pesky notifications. So if you put it on do not disturb or on flight mode, you're gonna save your sanity, believe me. So we're prepped, we're lit, and we're mic'd up. Now the final Most crucial, the settings. On step 11, you're gonna max out your quality. Go into your camera settings and choose the highest resolution. If you have 4K on your phone or 1080p, it's fine. At last resort, you can probably shoot with 720p. Now, you probably have seen the HEVC warning. The HEVC setting, this has to be turned off because this will create smaller files and most editing apps can't read those files, which is a massive headache. Standard recording is the safest bet. Now, this is another very important setting, is make sure you set it up to automatic. I'm talking about the brightness and the focus. You need to lock it down so your video doesn't flicker like a disco ball. Let me show you what I mean. So tap and hold your screen where you are to lock the auto exposure and the autofocus. That simple yellow box will appear and lock the brightness and focus point. And if you want to go the pro mode, there are a few apps on the Google Store app that can help you with shutter speed, white balance, and many other features. Remember that having full manual control is the key to that clean and consistent professional look. It stops the camera from having dumb and automatic changes that ruin your shot. Step 12, you need to record a test video because bad things can always happen. Listen to me on this one. I made once a 45-minute video not realizing my microphone was muted. So it's better always to run a very quick 10 to 15 seconds test to make sure everything is on point. At that moment, you can check the focus, you can check the lighting, you play it back, check the audio, you make sure everything is working properly. So now you're ready to hit that record button, and remember always eyes on the lens and monitor your background for noise or distractions. Don't leave your viewers with a shot of you reaching over to press stop. Okay, so we prepared the content, we locked the location, we cleaned the lenses, and we chose the right camera, either the front or the back. We stabilized the camera below eye level and set up the light to avoid harsh shadows. We connected the mic, we maxed the quality, we turned on flight mode or do not disturb mode, we locked the exposure and recorded the crucial test video. Always run this checklist every single time you film. I guarantee your videos will go from looking amateur to professional overnight, because I love to give you game and I also love to reward those that stay till the end. Here's a bonus. I'm gonna teach you real quick the wide, medium, and close-up cut that you can use the next time you shoot your videos. If you want your videos to look more interactive and more professional, I suggest you to use this method. It's called the wide, medium, close-up. It's very simple. Choose a location where you can film a B-roll, and what you're gonna do, film it from a little far, then you do a medium shot so you get a little closer, and then finally you do a close-up so you're gonna make a shot really close, and then you can use that as a B-roll in your next video. This not only will improve the way you do your videos, but it's also gonna make your video look more professional. So if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. This is Master with Marco. Till next time, stay blessed.